Alam mo, ilang malaking pasasalamat ko tapos na ang shooting. Sabi ko nga doon somebody was interviewing me earlier, sa tanang buhay ko, yung mga pamangkin ko never went to watch my shooting. Ngayon, they're going to my shootings. Even with their office mates. All of a sudden, naging popular ako sa neighborhood ko. Lahat yung mga nagsushooting kami ng alaba. Sabi ko, malitik itong mga kapitbahay ko. Hindi ako pinapansin dati. Ngayon, may mga bote ko ng pate. Kasi gusto ng premiere night ticket. Yun lang naman yun, di ba? But you know, no, really. I mean, that cannot be, that's part of the phenomenon. That's part of the phenomenon.
This is a comedy, direct, di ba? May paiyakin niyo ba si Allen dito and Mains in the movie? May ganun bang factor?
May kurot sa puso rito, no? Pero because it's a rom-com and in a certain way it follows certain templates of the rom-com, may touching moments dito, especially about the relationship of the aunt and the nephew and then the daughter and the father. May kurot man, but no heavy drama of sorts.
At si Alden, short kung magpatigim dun sa mga vlogger, kung ano yung aabangan nila dito kay Alden, being your character.
Yes, actually, as Alden, yung nakikita nila sa Kalye series, this is a different type of genre kasi this time we're acting the part. So si Dondy yung nephew ni Miss Ai na medyo geek na staying indoors and managing the family business is all in his mind until he met this girl, Anna, which is played by me. So doon nabago lahat. And marami nagsasabi po sa amin na parang everyday na kami nakikita, araw-araw na kami nasa Kalye series from Mondays to Saturdays. What can they expect more? They will see the actor side of both of us. The acting side of me, the actress side of her. So that's what they have to look forward to in this movie.
Tapos Alden, inabangan yung pagkikita nyo dun sa Kalye serie. Ang inaabangan naman yung kiss nyo. Dito ba makikita na ba dito sa...
Ay, nako!
Secret!
Ito yung isa sa mga sinod namin ng last day na talaga namang sabi talaga, no one will take pictures!
Kasi talagang bawal mag-video and all.
Yes.
In-edit ko kanina, yung buong editing room nagtitilian ng mga tao.
Yun na po. That's it.
Oh.
Ano na, last na lang to Alden.